when do-it-yourself IT costs you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It happens. I've seen cases where business owners, they come up with an idea. These guys are entrepreneurs. Maybe it's you. Maybe you work for one of these guys, but they're moving fast. They've got ideas. They want things done yesterday. And so they pick a domain name. They get everything in the business set up. Someone puts on their technology hat and plays technician. So they register the domain name with GoDaddy or Network Solutions or wherever you choose to register the domain name. You watch a YouTube video, you go in, you set up your Google Workspace or your Office 365 environment. You set up MFA, you got everything running, you've got 2 employees, 6 months passes, you've got 3 employees, 2 years passes, you have 5 employees, and then catastrophe strikes. Someone's email account has been compromised. In a lot of cases, it's someone who has administrative rights, like you're a super administrator in Google Workspace, or you're a global administrator in Office 365, and the threat actor that sends out the fake DocuSign document, it usually nowadays comes from a legitimate domain, like a customer or someone you know, whose email system has been compromised. They send the fake document. It's got some embedded code in there to where it can allow the threat actor to steal your credentials. During the session, they can steal your MFA. It doesn't matter if MFA is turned on. It will get past it. It's called token hijacking is one of the terms. And then when they get in, they operate. In a lot of cases, if they have elevated privileges, they can move laterally inside the organization, set up rules. One example is that we had a conversation with a potential client where they had been involved in a transfer of funds where they had received, they sent out a message from their organization. So someone in their organization had an email compromise, a business email compromise. That email account had sent out a message in the middle of an ongoing conversation that had been going on for weeks. And then they inserted some wire transfer instructions in the email. And then this new, so when the wire transaction went through, it went to the wrong account. So it was for tens of thousands of dollars. It took months to resolve this with insurance companies, banks, things like that. So do-it-yourself IT, if you're not trained in this, you're not going to be good at it. You may get things up and running, but there's no way that you can understand all the different features and conditional access policies. We have half a dozen tools that we use every day, and we've been using them for years to secure these systems. And it starts with governance, policy, owner buy-in, setting things up from a technology standpoint. But it all starts with just a review of the organization, creating policy for wire transfers, password policies, all these things. And then you enforce those with technical controls. My name's Brian Stewart. I'm the CTO here at Data Professionals. I've been doing technology full-time for over 20 years. Love technology. We have a group of guys here that they're amazing at technology, and it's our full-time thing. That's all we do: eat, sleep, and breathe technology. You can reach us. You can reach me at Brian, BRYAN, at dataprosit.com. Dataprosit.com is our website. Send me a message here if you'd like. Love to have a conversation.